Fruits. Fruits are an essential part of our African diet, packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that keeps us healthy. From juicy mangoes to sweet pineapples, nature has blessed us with incredible flavors. But when it comes to diabetes management, not all fruits are friendly to your blood sugar. Some of our favorite fruits can cause blood sugar spikes, making blood sugar control even more challenging. So, which African fruits should you enjoy in moderation or even avoid? Let's break it down. If you are new here, my name is Mirabe Kono, a registered nurse and a certified diabetes educator. I share videos on diabetes awareness and tips to manage and reverse diabetes type 2. If you find my content helpful, please like, share, and also subscribe to the channel for more. The first fruit is bananas, the sugar bomb. Bananas are one of the most popular and widely available fruits in Africa. But are they good for diabetes? If you have diabetes, bananas can spike your blood sugar, especially when they are overripe. So, why are bananas bad for diabetics? This is because they are high in natural sugars. One medium banana contains about 15 to 20 grams of sugar. They also have a high glycemic index, especially when they are overripe, causing a rapid rise in blood sugar. The third thing is that they are low in fiber. Unlike fruits with high fiber, bananas don't slow sugar absorption much. Now, how can diabetics eat bananas safely? If you must eat bananas, choose unripe bananas because they contain resistant starch which digests slowly. Eat only half or a small banana at a time. Pair it with protein or fat like nuts or yogurt to slow sugar absorption. Tip: if you must eat banana, avoid banana smoothies as they contain concentrated sugar without fiber. Number 2, pineapple, the blood sugar spiker. Pineapples are sweet, juicy, and refreshing, but they are not the best choice for people with diabetes, and this is why. Number 1, they are extremely high in sugar. Just 1 cup of pineapple contains over 16 grams of sugar. They also have a high glycemic index, so pineapple digests quickly and cause blood sugar spikes. They can also irritate the sensitive stomach, which is a problem for people managing diabetes because of their acidic nature. Now, how can diabetics eat pineapple safely? If you really want to eat pineapple, eat a small portion, and that is just a few bites. Always pair it with protein to slow down sugar absorption. Never drink pineapple juice as it is pure without fiber. Tip: if you must eat pineapple, the riper the pineapple, the higher the sugar content. Fruit number 3 is mango, the hidden danger. Mango is the king of fruit, but if you have diabetes, the king might not be your best friend. Now, let's look at why mangoes are bad for people with diabetes. The first reason is because mangoes are high in sugar. 1 medium mango contains about 45 grams of sugar, which is more than a can of soda. Number 2, they causes sugar spike. Mango has a high glycemic load, meaning it dumps a lot of sugar into your blood quickly. Thirdly, they can lead to weight gain. Excess mango consumption can lead to fat storage, worsening insulin resistance. If you must eat mango safely, number 1, limit it to a few slices, and also do not eat a whole mango. Eat mango with fiber foods like avocado, nuts, or even protein to slow down digestion. Choose unripe mangoes, that is sour ones, as they have less sugar. Tip: if you must eat mango, avoid mango smoothies or dry mangoes because they contain pure sugar. The fourth fruit is dates, the sugar overload. Many people think that dates are a healthy snack, but for people managing diabetes, dates can be a big problem, and this is why. Dates are extremely high in sugar. Just one date has about 18 grams of sugar. They also contain less water, so unlike fresh fruits, dry dates don't have water, so their sugar concentration is very high. Thirdly, dates can cause sugar crashes. After a sugar spike, dates can lead to sudden drop in energy. For you to eat dates safely, avoid eating more than 2 to 3 small dates at a time. Always pair your dates with protein or fat to slow down sugar absorption. Choose fresh dates instead of dry ones as they have less sugar per gram. Tip: dates are natural but act like candy to your body. The fifth fruit is watermelon, the deceptive fruit. Watermelon is mostly water, so it should be good for diabetes, right? Well, not really. Watermelon has a high glycemic index, meaning that watermelon digests very fast, causing quick sugar spike. Another thing is that watermelon mostly contains natural sugar and water, so it lacks fiber to slow down sugar absorption. Easy to overeat because watermelons are light. Many people eat too much at once, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar level. Now, how can diabetics eat watermelon safely? The best way is for you to limit it to a few cubes or even a half cup of watermelon. Pair watermelon with nuts and cheese to reduce blood sugar impact. Also, choose less ripe watermelon as they have slightly less sugar. Tip: if you must eat watermelon, watermelon juice is a big no for diabetic. It's pure sugar. So there you have it, the top worst 5 fruits for people managing diabetes. But remember, you don't have to avoid them completely. The secret is portion control and balance. Which of these fruits do you eat often? Let me know in the comment section. If you're struggling with your diet or you don't know what to eat, I came out with a 7-day meal plan. You can download it for free. So check out the link in the description box if you are interested. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, subscribe for more diabetes friendly tips. Also check out on these videos on the screen because you might find them helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.